How to disable Life360 tracker without anyone noticing. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable Life360 tracker without anyone noticing. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to settings and then you're going to go to apps and simply search for Life360. Once done, click on it and now you're going to disable some options over here that I'm going to tell you. First is location. Click on location and simply set your location to never. Go back and then turn off Bluetooth if it is turned on. And then you're going to turn off the toggle button for motion and fitness. After that, what you're going to do is simply turn off background app refresh as well and turn off allow tracking as well. So once you have simply disabled all of these options, your tracker would be disabled and no one will be noticed. So that is basically how you can disable Life360 tracker without anyone noticing. So if you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.